is the finale of the evening. कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। हमें दिल पर बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम, अगर आंसू सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये लगन। बिछड़ा हमें दिल पर बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम, अगर आंसू सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये लगन। तुम यूं ही सिंचाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना
अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा
Congratulations to the 91 batch. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Let me go to now Yashwant's team. Yashwant had in his team Achut.
Bond. No, what is Achut?
Bond.
We don't have anyone called
I'm
Achut.
sorry, Achut.
We don't have anyone Achut.
I'm very sorry, Bond 007. Bond 007. He has been a part of the group, and along with Ramna, who has been involved in initiating the
He has booked it. Okay.
initiating the reunion thing. They all were very active members, have done a lot to make this, to bring us to Leonia. It is their role. They played a key role in bringing us up to Leonia. Then it comes to Vidya. What a rocking day, Vidya.
Too
you
good.
made it.
Too good. Cheers.
What a rocking day.
Cheers. Great.
She flew all the way from Bombay.
She
She flew all the way from Bombay. Now Mumbai. Okay. And she really brought the flavor of Mumbai to Hyderabad. What a,
She did.
what a day, Vidya. What a day. Thank you so much. And giving excellent company to Vidya was Sheetal. She could have backed out. She could have said that I don't know. I don't want to do. But she was so sportive. She was so sportive in following Vidya, in entertaining us. Sheetal, you are a true exemplary teacher. You are a true exemplary teacher. And what revelations it is by Deepak Das. He made us believe in fate. He made us believe in destiny. You know, people can bounce back. Let me also give discount that 50% उसने ऐसे मसाला डाला, बाकी 50% तो सच था.
True. Agreed.
He deserves it. I mean, this today, my learning from this reunion is that कभी मेरा वक्त अगर खराब चल रहा है तो I shouldn't give up. Because अच्छा वक्त आ गया, आ भी सकता है, जैसे उसके साथ आया है. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you so much for revealing his story. I mean, it was awesome. Who was the other one who revealed his story? Sandeep. Not Sandeep.
Bond.
On the new singers today, Ramana and TS. I was highly surprised.
We had two revelations.
Their sounds
We
today.
had two revelations about this thing today. One was from online वाला कौन था रे? मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा पी दिया. Manish, I read this in books, I read this in magazines, I saw this in movies, in serials that online भी कोई प्यार करके शादी करके वो शादी को टिकाए रख सकता है. ये मनीष ने साबित कर दिया. Man, awesome.
Hats off to you.
Manish again made us believe in virtual reality. प्यार ऐसे भी हो सकता है. प्यार होने के लिए चेहरा देखना जरूरी नहीं है. दिल देख के भी प्यार हो सकता है. Great. 15 years of
15 years of
Manish marriage.
successful married life.
Yes.
For Manish.
Hooray to Manish. Great.
Hooray.
God bless you, Manish. We will celebrate your 25th wedding anniversary. We will
Sure.
celebrate your wedding. Awesome.
अभी inspiration
And
तो मनीष से.
when Vijay came to sing, I was surprised. Can Vijay sing? Oh my God! I thought he was just a cricket player, and he turned out to be an amazing singer.
He's a player.
What a revelation! Vijay.
He's a mayor.
Great. Thank you so much for exposing your.
You cannot forget the dance of Naveen.
What an awesome performance! I'm in shock. Ravi Kiran got inspired by Vijay, and Ravi Kiran came out to sing that number. What an awesome performance! Let me mention Ramna. Ramna made me forget and remember Mukesh at the same time.
Right.
At the same time.
It was Mohammad Rafi, I think, right?
Mukesh,
It was Mohammad Rafi, right?
Dedicate yourself to singing Mukesh songs. Henceforth, when we meet 2 years down the lane, you are going to perform. Exclusive Mukesh numbers. And what a story it was about Nani. I thought there is some Devdas kind of story hidden in his hair and his beard. I thought we'll get some exciting masala story, but alas, he cheated us. Definitely there is something. There was something, I think. And Naveen, you made us forget Chiranjeevi today. Wherever you are.
Yeah.
You made us forget Chiranjeevi. When I danced with you, I felt like Vijay Shanti. When I danced with you, I felt like so much, Naveen. Sumit, last minute entry, you made it, man. You made it. Thank you so much. And you made it. And आते ही माइक छीन के जैसे तूने बोलने लगा आधे घंटे 1 घंटे से बैठा हुआ है. You started speaking as if you heard everything. You took the mic and you were like very comfortable. Okay, ये मेरा introduction ये है. ऐसे कैसे बोल सकता है कोई? I would, if in your place, I would have hesitated. क्या बोलूँ, कैसे बोलूँ? But man, you are so so comfortable in front of the stage and mic. Great, kudos to you. Loved having you here, going the last minute. And Jayanti, who's a doctor, who has her own strict routine, schedule. She never talks on WhatsApp. It reflects as if she has an attitude. She doesn't like us. She thinks we're cheap people. We do a lot of cheap talk.
Chatting.
All not at
We
all.
always talk about booze. We always talk about affairs, crushes. But no, she made it on time for us. This
I
is
really appreciate
People need not
Jayanti
talk.
today for being
People need
here
not
with
talk.
us. She's
They
a
can show
very
it.
really busy person and she
People need not talk, but people can, show
sang a song for
You
us.
know
Yeah.
what?
behavior.
That is the job of a gynecologist. She should be on time.
She's great. She's great. And what should I talk about Sheetal, She comes in the chat, good morning, good night. Good morning, good night.
Day doesn't
Good
start
morning,
without
good
Sheetal and doesn't
Good
end without
morning, good
Sheetal.
night, but I never thought that
No,
she would
or-
travel all the way from Nagpur overnight to make it to meet us. And she's again taking the night train and going back. This is the spirit of friendship. Big cheers to the friendship of Sheetal. And the local, for whatever reasons, the local girls who didn't make it, I wouldn't comment on that. But the people who took a lot of effort to come to this event, we should always appreciate them.
Yes.
Thank you
Yes.
so much,
Three
Sheetal.
cheers
Thank
to-
you, Vidya. Thank you, Jayanti,
Yes.
for coming from such a far distance and trying to be with us.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And Vishal, an amazing singer.
Cheers, man.
इसे इतना कुछ छुपा है मुझे आज ही पता चला है.
Amazing singer.
TS also.
And I'll come one by one.
Okay.
Vishal, an amazing singer. Thank you so much, Vishal, for entertaining. Bond, I thought he can do only gym, but he can convert his gym moves into dance moves also. It was like gymming in one dance floor. He finished his quota of gym on the dance floor today. He's such a sportive guy. When he is on WhatsApp chat, we are all ROFL. We are all ROFL. I halt my work quick. सामने खड़ा था तो रुक जा 2 मिनट मैं चैट पढ़ लेती हूँ. I read and it's really, he has the best sense of humor. I never saw him talking negative wrong. He's always trying to infuse some positivity, some energy, some happiness into the group. God bless him for this energy. Please inspire us in such a way. And Dr. Vivek Babu, CTS, cardiothoracic surgeon. That's no small achievement. I mingle with doctors. I see what kind of attitude they have, what kind of airs they have. They throw tantrums like anything. But look at this man. He was with us like as if he is nobody. As
Down
if he is
to the
nobody.
earth person, I
Camera
have
uska
never
tarjuma
seen
hoga.
a
Nobody.
person like
You
that.
go to the hospital and see him. 10 people will be walking behind him. People would beg MRs, medical representatives would beg his eminence time to talk to him. People would book appointments to see him. But look at his groundedness. He's such an inspiration for the group. We are so lucky to have him as a friend. He is the biggest asset or the biggest what we call achiever of the group. He's the greatest achiever of the group. No doubt. TS, I thought TS can only fight. Not
He can also sing.
I
That
thought TS
was
can only
amazing.
argue. TS can only argue, I thought. But see, Manish Share तूने सबको दबा दिया.
और क्या फिर?
हाँ?
गाने को निकालना आपको।
तेरी मेहरबानी है कि आज इतने सिंगर बाहर आए.
हमारा काम ही है talent।
I didn't know we have so many singers.
Amazing. TS, amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much for coming. And the best thing about TS is, if I were in TS's place, let me confess today, the way he is rebuked and rebutted so many times in the debates, he doesn't run away. He comes back again with the same nonsense. He comes back again and again with the same
No, that is
nonsense.
because he sells LIC policies. वापस आना पड़ेगा।
Comes back every day with the same stuff. He listens to our what you call scoldings, fights, tantrums, or indirect attacks, and he goes back, but he surfaces back in 10 minutes. That's the greatness of TS. Man, you have taught me a lesson. I have learned something from you without any doubt. And Srinivas Javaji, is he a schoolboy?
Still a schoolboy.
I think he is a schoolboy.
Yes,
I
yes,
think he is
Sanita.
a schoolboy. So I don't know what energy he has, what kind of tablets he eats at home, what his wife puts. कौन चिक्की का आटा खाता रे?
कौन सा चटनी का आटा खाता है? कौन सा गेहूं का आटा?
Whatever you are. God bless you. नजर नहीं लगा रही हूँ, ऐसे ही रहो. 50वें reunion में दांत टूटेंगे लेकिन बदन ऐसे ही रहेगा. Okay?
रामदेव बाबा आटा.
Sandeep Dubey. I appreciate. I mean, I wait for his comments to listen to his sense of humor. Yeah, Iodex malo kampichalo. After I read it from him, I repeated it. You know, I have this habit of copy paste. I read it on the chat and I used it so many times. It's such a wonderful line, and he brings in many such one-liners. Many such one-liners. Thank you, Sandeep. You're great. You're excellent sense of humor. Keep it up. We love you for that. Ravi Kiran, silent man. He comes silently, he leaves silently, but for whatever little few minutes he is there, he makes his presence felt. He reflects a lot of goodness. When he is on the screen, you talk any nonsense to him, he gives back good things in a proper structured format. That's a
Professional way.
Yes. And he called me yesterday, one message, Sangeeta, add me back to the group. I forgot about him. He kept his promise that I am coming to the reunion. When I asked him, why did you leave? He said that a day before reunion, I'll send you a message. Add me back to the group, I'll come back. And he did exactly that. He showed up. He just said that, add me back to the group, and he continued silently. Without any noise, he'll do his work, he'll vanish from the ground. Great man. And Naveen, a dancer. यार मोटे लोग नाच नहीं सकते, कौन गधा बोलता है? इसको देखो। कौन गधा बोलता है नाच नहीं सकते? You are the best dancer of the evening.
Ganesh Acharya, choreographer.
Sumit, thank you. Vijay, thank you so much. Kiran,
Thanks a lot.
I'll tell you this on the record. When we talked about reunion, जब हम बोल रहे थे कि इस डेट पे reunion करेंगे, मैं अच्युत, we're the one who started the topic thing. And जब मैं वीना से डेट फाइनलाइज कर रही थी, first person came out, I'm coming.
Yeah, that was
किरण से एक ही डायलॉग सुना
that was
था.
Kiran. Yeah, I agree that. Yeah.
एक ही डायलॉग किरण से I'm coming. उसके बाद उसका
He was the first person.
कुछ भी नहीं, nothing new. But he's silent, he's reading. I thought he just reads for time pass, but when the time came, he showed up.
Yes.
That's friendship. You need not talk on a daily basis, but when it is required, you're always there. Thank you so much, Kiran. Satish, your story is so inspiring. हाँ, 7 समुंदर पार से 7 साल बिता के came back.
7 समुंदर और 4 देशों.
15 साल, right? 15 साल, 15 साल.
You have a big history. We respect you for how you handled your life.
100%.
Yes, we respect you for how you handled your life and your real inspiration. Shrikar, I don't know much about you, but I hear good things from Prasad about you. There might be some goodness in you that he's praising you so much. Though I never had one-on-one encounter with you on any topic or anything, but I hear good, great things. One thing I know about you is you're Tata. I don't know why people call you Tata. You're like a young man.
He became young now at the age of 40.
You look like 30s. You look younger than many of them in the group. Okay? Vikram, I never knew that you were into business. I thought Vikram was into some job, some IT thing or something. He wears that big spectacles, so I thought he's an IT guy. But great, you run a successful optical shop in a place like Hyderabad. You started the new thing called as Reading Room.
I want to share something on this. Guru from Littlestan has ordered me to delete Vikram from our group, but I didn't do that.
ऐसा भी होता है क्या?
Littlestar group, because he
ऐसा भी
included his school from Littlestar. And from those
Em
group,
Rapu.
they have ordered me, as an admin of this group, they have ordered me to delete Vikram from our group and let them have the Vikram on their own group.
Oh, is it?
But Vikram was interested in
Vikram,
our
we want you.
group.
तुम्हारे लिए हम कोई भी
yes.
जंग लड़ेंगे.
And
Three ही सही. तुम्हारे लिए कोई भी जंग लड़ेंगे. We want you in our group, Vikram.
And I said no, I won't delete him. He will be in my group, and he did showed up today, and I really appreciate
Thank
that.
you. Deepak Das. यार तुम तो कुछ अलग ही हो. तुम अलग ही हो यार.
दीपक ने बहुत कुछ सिखाया है.
डॉक्टर रजनीकांत रेड्डी. डॉक्टर रजनीकांत रेड्डी. मैंने टीएस को सोच के डॉक्टर रजनी सोचा, लेकिन I mean I have to say 2 things today. You are very handsome. You dance well. Very handsome. You dance well. You have an excellent body language. Whatever you do, you will be successful in your profession because of your body language. You are very great. Thank you for coming. And L. Praveen, the set. I don't know where he is. He left, I think.
now.
L. Praveen's sister is here. Okay, L. Praveen's sister, please convey the message to L. Praveen Reddy.
I am here. Yes, I am here.
those of them are yours.
Okay. Local girls. She, me, we are assumed to be present here. It's natural assumption. Okay. I'll talk a few words about Padmaja. Padmaja is a silent girl. But look at Padmaja's son's scores. She doesn't talk. She doesn't have any airs about it. Her son scored 10 on 10 in class 10. In 11th, he scored 96-97%. After 12th, he's going to IIT. But this girl will not show any attitude that she has such backing, you know. My mother used to say in Telugu, "Anni unna istari anigi manigi untaranta." Emi lende igri padtare.
कोई जरूरत नहीं
She has everything in her. That's why she's quiet, she's silent. She's a girl full of strength in her. Great, great. A woman is, if for years, a woman is mostly judged by her children's achievement. If your children become successful, you are a great achiever, Padmaja. Thank you for setting the example. Thank you for setting the example.
We have to talk about Sangeeta also. Give me the mic.
Yeah.
కూర్చో అక్కడ కూర్చో వీణ పక్కన కూర్చో
Nani, I mentioned Nani. I think Praveen, wherever you are, say you took the effort to come from Adilabad all the way. That's good enough. Others didn't join. You came, you partied with us, you sang, you danced, you did everything with us. Thank you so much. People talk 100 things about you, but you are our friend. You will remain a friend for us. Thank you so much, Praveen. Wherever you are, thanks for coming.
and exception for him for daily messages
Okay, Praveen, wherever you are, please stop sending those forwards in the morning.
no grant him the
Please stop
exception
sending, spamming them in the group with messages.
he came all the way from Adilabad so let him send every day good morning message
Okay.
let him send
And let me close with two things. These are the closing remarks. In December, यशवंत का आश्रम खुलने वाला है, वृद्धाश्रम जो बनाए हैं. All of us will try to come. I'll positively try to come. I promise. I am also due some donation to him. I promised it, but I couldn't deliver it. Today I'll try to meet that need. And I will, Yashwant, I'll put all my effort. I don't know what I can do on that day, but I'll put all my effort to come and join you on your Guru Pravesham. If I cannot join on that day, I will try to come and see that house someday.
Online,
This is my
online.
promise to you.
Online.
And also, I am doing a write-up to you. I am going to go back home and do that write-up for you. I promise this. I promise this on record. And the donation and the write-up. Second thing, 2017 August 1st Sunday is again Friendship Day. I pledge to meet you all that day.
Yeah, we should have another
2017 first Sunday of the August is Friendship Day. I pledge to meet you all, whoever are available on that day.
I do.
Yes.
I do.
Yes, let's all meet on that day.
Sure.
Okay? Thank you all so much. I loved this evening and this day, the strength, the energy, the positivity which I gained on this day is going to help me deliver a lot of work in the coming days. This is a great positive energy I'm going to take back with me to my home and deliver it in my work. Show it in my home, show it at my work. I'll achieve something for you all. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Thank you.
Dr. Vivek. Let him.
aha
No,
Deven?
we have to obviously thank Sangeeta here. This whole program, this whole thing wouldn't have been achieved without Sangeeta's help, without Sangeeta's active intervention, without Sangeeta's badgering us, buggering us, pushing us onto the stage with everything. The whole talk about Sangeeta. And Sangeeta is a role model for every woman here.
Yes.
There is absolutely no doubt. Someone who has gone from Adilabad to a far-flung place like Siliguri to set up such a wonderful enterprise. There's no words. She is the new age entrepreneur, and she should be featured in some India Today or some that kind of magazines, because she is the woman of the Adilabad.
women of SF 1990
I'll make you all proud. You should feel proud and happy.
You said that women are known by
Children's
achievements, but that's not always true. You are a living legend for that. You are a living example of that. You have achieved so much in life. I know your husband is a radiologist and he drives, but I am very sure that you are the driving force behind all the work which you are doing in Siliguri. And then absolutely you keep coming, putting in some hundreds of messages, and then you will disappear, and then we all have to think, what the heck is this? Which message should we answer?
but फिर भी एक काम नहीं किया ना
That is from the
She has
politician's
asked-
perspective, because she wants to pursue her political career.
नहीं that is one and she has asked आके मैसेजेस डाल दी मुझे प्रोजेक्टर चाहिए मुझे ये चाहिए बट प्रोजेक्टर तूने अरेंज नहीं किया
So you know what? Actually, she was revealing some time back that she wants to get into politics and she wants to make her career in the politics. I think we should say that she is next Smriti Irani in the making. So let's give her a round of applause. And we want to see her grow in politics. In fact, she's the right kind of a person to get
Yes.
into politics. She has the leadership qualities. She can drive. She's the driving force.
And her blood group is also A positive, I think, right?
Correct. So she is positive. Maybe
A positive,
we should
A
wish her all
positive.
the best, but I think we should take a step forward.
Leaders है ना वो.
I matched Smriti Irani in her way.
Yeah.
Astrologer, mind reader also.
Huh?
Mind reader. She's a mind reader.
Correct.
She's a mind reader.
And I think she's.
अभी
she has
किसका
got
किसका
the
माइंड
right
पढ़
kind
लिया
of
आपने आज?
attitude.
आज किसका किसका माइंड पढ़ लिया?
कल लिखूंगी फिर से.
No,
So one round of applause for Sangeeta.
या.
And she's also binding source. She's also binding source for all of us. I mean, for some time she was keeping the group active, and she's the one who has got this ragging thing in the group, which we really enjoyed. And you know,
साला
it was
तूने तो
really-
रैगिंग नहीं दिया. But still one question is still a mystery. What I feel, because in 6th class on the blackboard,
कोई लिखा था.
no, who the hell, who
No.
who was he?
No, we have
Wait.
to thank someone. No, don't forget to thank the damn school. No?
Yes,
Because
yes,
we are all here. If you
Why are you
look
saying
at
damn
us-
school, man?
Good
school.
School and the teachers.
डॉक्टर है ना? ताक
School and the
ताक.
teachers. I mean, imagine. Can you imagine? If you look at all of us, we are all well established in life. That has to be something which has gone to make us what we are. If you see in the school, there are so many people who are. I mean, you look at them
हाथ
at
दुख रहे हैं
that age, you would have thought, "Nah, they are not going to make it good." Look at Sangeeta. She was
Nothing in school.
nothing
I
in school,
accept,
right?
I
Okay.
accept.
And now look at her.
Hey,
Look-
what do you mean by nothing in school, man?
No. Let us
No.
let
We
us
have to
look
accept
at
this.
Kalyan.
Yes.
Look at Kalyan. Look at Kalyan. Kalyan was always in the lower ranks, and now look at his position in life. I mean, there has to be something which obviously is due to what education we got, what moral education we got. All those classes from
Moral
Sister
science.
Thelma,
Moral-
science,
Honesty is my best policy.
Sister Barbara, Sister Cecil Jones,
Sister Tina, Sister Suma, Sister Miss Salome, Miss Lily Kuti. अब मेरे पास माइक नहीं दिए ना.
Mallesh sir.
Mallesh sir. At last, we should not forget him.
No, this is a big achievement.
Don't forget Mallesh sir.
If you see our group of class, you see our class. Everyone is in a very respectable position at this stage in life.
Yes.
And
Yes,
this
yes,
is
yes.
Cheers for them.
due to the school only.
Cheers. अभी
One more thing.
नहीं रुक ए रुक रे.
After meeting everybody.
अभी शीतल मैडम को माइक देना.
नहीं, उसको देंगे. After meeting everybody, in fact, when we are chatting in the group also, you will definitely come to know. Lot of us, I mean everybody here out in this room and also amongst the group, I feel we are all modest, and we should be like this, because we should
Cheers.
not throw our attitude. We are all modest, and we
Cheers.
should be modest, because
Agree.
modesty is something which will make you a very good human being. The first choice of anybody should be you should become a very good
Vivek
human
is an
being.
example for that.
विवेक
Vivek is definitely an example.
रोल मॉडल फॉर दैट. शीतल मैडम
Definitely.
लाइन से चलने दो. अभी एक लाइन बोल दो. विशाल को डराओ मत कल से. ओके
और विशाल दारू पिया बोल के घर में मत बोलना.
बट प्लीज. या प्लीज. ए रुकना है.
खाली पीली जाके मत बोलना.
हम रे बाबा.
Pass on the mic. Thank you everybody.
हाँ नो
थैंक
लेट.
यू एवरीबॉडी.
हाँ
व्हाट्सएप पे जब भी चैटिंग होता है सबसे अच्छा लगता है बॉन्ड के साथ बात करने में.
Bond with the best.
बॉन्ड म्यूजिक प्लीज.
वो मुझे दोस्त करके ही टेक्स्ट करता है हमेशा. तो आई फील वेरी ऐसा जो भी हमारा जो शेड्यूल रहता है कॉलेज में बड़ा टेंशन वाला कभी कभी जब भी फ्री पीरियड मिलता है व्हाट्सएप ऑन किया अगर ये ऑनलाइन है तो डेफिनेटली आई चैट क्योंकि वो हंसाता है तो थोड़ा सा मूड चेंज हो जाता है. थैंक यू बॉन्ड.
सो जा रात में.
विशाल.
डर मत मैं कुछ नहीं बताती.
चल आज फ्री हो गया.
आज अभी ले ले.
विशाल
वो हर
चिंता
बार-
नहीं करेगा जिंदगी भर. नेक्स्ट रियूनियन तक तेरे को चिंता नहीं है.
नहीं ये कंफर्मेशन दे देना.
मेरा बस कहाँ चलेगा.
बाद में नागपुर जाके बताना, अभी मत बता.
हाँ
दूसरा
हाँ
लेके जाएगा सीधा बस स्टॉप.
ओके नेक्स्ट.
दूसरा और एक बात बोलना था कि मैं स्पेक्स पहनती हूँ लेकिन मेरे को दीपक दास ने बोला था चैटिंग में तो स्पेक्स किसका चॉइस है ये शीतल. मैंने बोला मेरा बहुत खराब है कभी मत पहना. तो मैंने आज कोशिश किया कि पहना ही नहीं मैंने 3 बार.
अरे दीपक कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट
Give the other mic to him. Give the other mic to him.
हाँ।
Let him talk to something about that.
अरे बोलो ना दीपक
नहीं ऐसे उसका आवाज इतना
नहीं नहीं एक ही है वो ओनली वन लाइनर हाँ ओनली वन लाइनर विदाउट शीतल विदाउट स्पेक्स पे वन लाइनर
I'm going.
Okay, Jayanti.
बाय 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 जयंती हाथ मिला दो
Hi, Jay.
डिनर చేసుకోండి జయంతి 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 డిన్నర్ చేసుకోండి కదా
Jayanti, thank you very much.
మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ అంటే కష్టం.
ఓకే
కింద రెడీ అయింది భోజనం చేసి కార్లో ఉన్నాను
ఓకే
మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ పట్టుకొస్తే బాగుంటుంది.
ఓకే జయంతి బాయ్
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్
Jayanti's hospital.
అరే రమణ
Jayati, thank you for that. Nice meeting you.
एक्सलेंट ग्रेट हाँ
चल उड़िया
कोर्ट का भी कंप्लीट होने देना
हो गया ना खत्म हो गया
विद्या रानी बात करना है पद्मजा बात करना है अभी 2 लोग बात करना है
एक रात भी जनता से बात करते हो वाई भी बात करते थैंक यू वेरी मच
हाँ ओके बॉन्ड हाथ हिलाना
Both of them.
हाँ हो गया माइक अरे शीत अरे तेरे को वन लाइनर बोले तो तू बोला ही नहीं
ऐसे ही बोल दे माइक रहने दे
हाँ ओके कैंसल टाइम अप
I think they're getting restless there.
हाँ నెక్స్ట్ వీణ పద్మజ ఉండే కదా ఆడ వీణ ఎట్లా వచ్చింది
Veena తిరుగుతున్నా ఇటు అటు.
ఆ. అరే చిరు ఏమైందిరా
చిరు అంటారు పుష్ అయిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు.
మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు డాన్స్ చేయడానికి పోతున్నా कमान विद्यारानी बोलो दोनों मिलके बोलो अरे मनीष क्या हो गए रे
सुनाई दे रहा बाजू रख के बोल
नहीं वो बंद कर दिया माइक चलो
विदाउट माइक
विदाउट माइक बोल ना
हाँ चालू हो गया हाँ।
तुम्हारे
नहीं हम हाइट में छोटे लेकिन आवाज हमारी बड़ी
गुड हाँ
आवाज ही नहीं विद्या बहुत बड़ी है बहुत चीजें बड़ी है तुम्हारे
अदाए
I learned so many things from Vidya today. I have to appreciate her. She has struggled her life and I came to know that today. Thank you, Vidya. Thank you for teaching me so many things today.
Thanks a lot everyone. I was really wondering यहाँ पे ना कि स्कूल में तो हम कभी बात नहीं कर सकते थे मतलब अभी बात कर रहे आज इतना बात भी करे और
डांस भी कर रहे
तो कंफर्टेबल फील करे डांस करने में पूरी ख्वाहिश पूरी हो गई यहाँ पे तो आज जैसे बचपन से लेके जो भी सोचा ना कि इनसे बात नहीं कर सकते अरे वो अखड़ू है ये ऐसा है वो वैसा है बट आज यहाँ आने के बाद ऐसा लगा कि अरे हम लोग कितने टाइम से जानते हैं एक मेक को और कितने कंफर्टेबली एक मेक के साथ डांस कर रहे इट वॉज रियली मतलब